be operating under TMM trading. This is not financial advice. When it comes to trading, past results are not always indicative of what will happen in the future. So I'm not promising any results, but I do promise to give you my best. I do promise to show up and give you excellence, the most excellence that I can on behalf of my part. And let's get right into it. So today we had a non-farm payroll news release, and we were able to see how this week has delivered. So this is the first trading week of the month of January, and we can see that this week has delivered to the downside. So right now we're currently looking at the S&P 500. And yeah, I'm gonna do a breakdown on this pair. So I'm gonna do a breakdown on 3 different pairs. I apologize if the music is a little too loud. I'll do a breakdown on 3 pairs. So I will do a breakdown of 3 pairs. I will break down the S&P 500. I'll break down the US 100, and I'll break down GBP USD. Okay, so we'll look at 2 indices and 1 forex pair. So we'll start off with the US 500. And basically what it is that I'm looking for this day, and if there is any opportunity to get into the market, well then we'll be doing that as well. Okay, for this first stream, I'll just be doing a top-down analysis, basically talking about what I see on the chart, what it is that I think will occur, and how I think that the next possible weeks could deliver. So looking at price action over here, we can see that price has been moving upwards for the past few weeks. This is a weekly chart. Okay, I'm gonna increase that. I'm gonna change the color so it's a little more visible. Okay, we can see that price has been going up, and then now we're sort of starting to turn around and go lower. So could this mean that price is gonna completely fall and there will be a crash? That we don't know yet. But as we do see price heading downwards, I want to be taking my trades in the direction of the delivery of price. So as sellers are coming in and they're pushing price lower, we see that we want to be in sync with what is currently happening. When I'm trading, I do not want to try and go against the trend. So yes, we do see that price has been moving upwards, but look how the past few weeks have been moving. It's been lower prices. So we can clearly see that at this point here, we are now seeing move to the downside. So we have 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles for the past 4 weeks have been moving lower. Okay, so once we see that price has been moving lower, we can then drop down to a daily chart where we can focus on what the current price action here has delivered. Okay, so we do see that price moved sideways right here. We have sideways price action. We have a range in here created. We break out of the range aggressively on this day, Wednesday the 18th of December. We break down aggressively, and then we start to recuperate all that down move with this up move here. With this up move here, okay? Once we hit and we have traded from the breakout of this range here, notice how we return back to the range and then start to move lower. As we start to move lower, price shows us a failure of taking out previous highs. Now, while price is failing to take out previous highs, price is also failing to take out a previous low. Now, we see that there's a long wick here on this candle, and we see that there's a long wick here as well. Now, I'm gonna make this bigger, and hopefully you're able to see